just for grins. This will be Reina's first bird, first real bird ever. We got a dead chucker here that she's gonna see if she can get her to retrieve. Come here, Reina. Come here, Reina. She can already smell the birds we've been using out here. Sit. Sit. Hey, come here. Sit. Good. Oh, what's that? Oh, sit. Sit. Good. Reina. Oh, good girl. Here. 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 Oh, good dog. Oh, good dog. Look what you found. Look what you found. Good girl. What is that? Oh, yeah, you can't pull the feathers out of it. Yeah, huh? Oh, good girl. Here, let's try it one more time. What do you think of that? Sit. Okay, sit. Reina. Here. Bring it here. Good girl. Here. Here. Good dog. Good girl. What a good dog. You like birds, don't you? Yes, you do. Pretty much eating it. Good. One more time. One more bad habit. Sit. Come here. Good. Sit. Sit. Good. Reina. Hey, 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 hey. Woo, here, here, here. Come here. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good girl. Oh, good dog. Come here. Come here. You almost tried to bring him back to me. Come here. 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 Good. Here. Good dog. What a good girl. What a good dog. Now you're just plucking birds. Good girl. What a good girl. Okay. Good enough. That's enough. All right. Little bird crazy.